Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce Maggi. First, gather your fresh red chilies, garlic, and ginger. These form the aromatic foundation of your sauce. Next, prepare your vinegar, sugar, and salt. These are crucial for balancing the heat and creating that perfect sweet and sour profile. Don't forget the Maggi seasoning or a good quality soy sauce to infuse that signature umami flavor. Now, let's get everything ready. Begin by washing your chilies thoroughly. You can deseed them for a milder sauce or keep some seeds for extra heat. Next, peel and finely chop your garlic and ginger. This ensures a smooth blend later. Finally, measure out all your liquids and dry ingredients precisely to maintain consistency and flavor balance in your homemade chili sauce. It's time to cook. Start by gently sautéing your chopped garlic and ginger in a little oil until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, add your prepared chilies, followed by the vinegar, sugar, and Maggi seasoning. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken nicely. Almost done. Once the sauce has simmered and cooled slightly, transfer it to a blender. Blend until you achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like it chunky or perfectly smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a little more sugar or salt if necessary. Finally, pour your delicious homemade Maggi chili sauce into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.